does it mean to be judgment-proof? Judgment-proof is a pretend word. It's a term of art we use to refer to someone who it's not worth suing. Normally when a creditor sues you, he gets a judgment against you, then he'll do about 3 things with it. He will attach it to your house, he will garnish your W-2 wages, and he will go after your bank account. There are other things he can do, but these are the big 3. Now let's say you don't have a house. That takes away number 1. Let's say you don't have W-2 wages. You're living on Social Security. That takes away number 2. How about the bank account? Either you don't have a bank account, or the only money going into that bank account is Social Security or disability money. Then you're virtually judgment-proof. It means that a creditor can sue you and get a judgment against you, but they can't do anything with it. There's no house to take. There's no wages to take. There's no money to take, which isn't exempted by some kind of state or federal law. That doesn't mean the creditor can't still give you a hard time, but if you're judgment-proof, you really don't need to file bankruptcy. You can simply ignore the creditor calls. If you receive a court order to go to court, you better go to court, or else you'll have a finding of contempt and possibly a civil arrest warrant, but there's nothing else they can do to you. Now technically a creditor could get a writ of execution, come to your house and execute on that document by taking things out of your home and trying to sell them. Odds are you don't have anything worth taking for the creditor to actually sell, so this is simply a scare tactic. If someone says you're judgment-proof, it doesn't mean creditors can't do things to you, but it means they really don't want to because there's nothing worth taking. That's how we define judgment-proof. Thanks.